right now.
This is our elevator. Nice and tight. Today is our last day in Barcelona, but right now, if you can see, we made it to our cruise ship room. So tomorrow we'll be heading to France, and I'll make sure to vlog that. But we're leaving the port in a few hours, so I'll show you a room tour right now. So this is the start. Here's our door that you come into the room with. Right to this side is the bathroom for the fam. Then come right outside of the bathroom and welcome to
Our room.
The girls' room. So we have our little closet. Bunk beds.
So her bed is the bottom one and mine's up here.
You come into the main room. Got a fancy full length. Another closet, of course. Life vest for safety. Right here is going to be our brother's bed or the couch. Okay. My parents' bed. A sitting area.
Nice view.
Exactly. We are front and center of the ship. Alright, quick little plug-in to the train. So, a funny story about the train is we got our tickets and then ran to the train. We got there and our train was there, but there were these beeping sounds and we weren't familiar with the system here. So we were like, okay, we can get on, everybody run. And Delaney, she was in front, and so we were like, get on. And then the door started closing and she was like half on. And so first possibility, she would have get smushed in the doors. Or second possibility, she would have been on the train alone, taking her to some foreign place, and she would be lost. So we all like grabbed her shirt and grabbed her arm, and then we took the next train.
Hey guys, so we're leaving Barcelona and the ship is moving.
Drinking sangria, mi niña, te amo, Macarena, mamacita, rica, sí, te adoro, señorita. Nosotros, vive la vida, come on, let's be free in Barcelona. Las Ramblas, I'll meet you, come on and dance with me in Barcelona.
Next up, dinner.
Staring at two different views on your window ledge.
Unpack.